Hello, good evening friends. Welcome to my channel once again. This is a video tutorial for NEET UG Medical Entrance Exam. Today we are going to learn some of the biological mnemonics which can make your exam easier, like the last moment suggestion. So we start off with acids of the Krebs cycle. This is a part of respiration. Now let's see the names of the acids. The mnemonics are: cute child is only kid, so smart, friends move on. Cute is for citric acid, child's is sacconic acid, then comes isocitric acid, then oxalosuccinic acid, alpha ketoglutaric acid, succinyl coenzyme A, smart is for succinic acid, friends fumaric acid, move malic acid, and on is oxaloacetic acid. Next we come to the ready reckoner for blood clotting factors. Here is the mnemonics. First person told cancer leads to sickness. Another chap said plasma has fat. Now let's continue like this. F for factor 1, that is fibrinogen. Person is factor 2, that is prothrombin. Told factor 3, tissue thromboplastin. Cancer is calcium. Leads to is fifth factor, labile factor. Now factor 6. Factor 6 is a hypothetical factor. It does not exist now. It is hypothetical. Factor 7 is stable factor. Factor 8 is anti-hemophilic factor A. Now factor 9 is Christmas factor, or it is also known as anti-hemophilic factor B. So this Christmas factor C is for chap. Now SAID, Stewart-Power factor. Plasma, this is plasma thromboplastin antecedent. Has is Hegman factor, factor 12. And fat is the 13th factor, named as fibrin stabilizing factor or Lackey-Lauren factor. Hope it's clear now. Now coming to glycolysis. The process of glycolysis has got these mnemonics. Gracious God, Father Francis discussed godly behavior. It is pure, precious, predictable, and purity. Gracious is for glucose, God is glucose 6-phosphate, then comes fructose 6-phosphate, then fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Discussed is dihydroxyacetone phosphate, that is DHAP. Then G is for glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Behavior is 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Then comes 3-phosphoglycerate, then 2-phosphoglycerate, then phosphoenol pyruvate, and the end comes with pyruvate. Another factor, these are another mnemonics. 12 pairs of cranial nerves. The names of nerves are having these mnemonics. On old Olympus towering tops, a French and German viewed some hope. On is olfactory, optic, oculomotor, trochlear, trigeminal, abducens, facial, auditory, glossopharyngeal, vagus, spinal accessory, hypoglossal. Now, what kind of nerves they are? Whether they are sensory or motor or mixed. We have made it in such a way that S says sensory, M says motor, and B is for both, that means mixed. So first one is olfactory, that is a sensory. Some say money matter, but my brother says big books matter more. First is olfactory, that is sensory. Optic is also sensory. Oculomotor is motor. Trochlear is motor. Trigeminal is mixed. Abducens is motor. Facial is mixed. Auditory is sensory. Glossopharyngeal is mixed. Vagus is mixed. Spinal accessory is motor. Hypoglossal is motor. So I hope you have noted down each and everything. So please share this to as many students as possible, and please subscribe my channel as early as possible so that I can give you more of these mnemonics. Thank you.